Hello, beautiful people. Today we are gonna. Oh, hold on, I have a call. 1 second. Let me get this call. Yeah, sure. Wait, yeah. Does a husband not love you anymore? Come here, I'll show you love. Is the husband giving you trouble? Girl, deal with him. Is he hitting you? Please, sis, run for your life. Like, run. I'll tell you why. See, my marriage is so perfect. Like, my husband and I has never ever had any quarrel since we got married. For how many years? I think 2 or 3 or 4 years. I don't remember. But let me just tell you, if you don't, Zara, what are you doing? I'm just telling you my dreams that I dreamt that my future husband never had any quarrel with me. My village people, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm never going to fight with my future husband. Your future husband, if not to Tamara. It's a dream, right? I was telling you guys my dream. What dream? Like what? Look, my village people, I'm so sorry. Let me tell you people, every month I schedule fight. In fact, I fight my husband. You understand? It's not a bed of roses. I don't know. Okay, you know what? Let me prove it to you. Because this month we have no fight. We haven't fought at all. I need a topic. Give me any topic I'll fight about. Oh, you know what? 1 second. I have an idea. Wait. Hello, Papa Mervin.
Hello, my love. How are you, baby?
So, you know I have cold. And you bought me an ice cream and you didn't even melt it.
Come on, darling. Am I supposed to melt an ice cream?
What? If you see me, don't talk to me.
Oh, no, not again.
Don't even talk to me anymore.
I'll melt it. Please don't hang up. Please.
Like, for real. You didn't have to be like that. You didn't have to. It sounds funny, right? Oh, God. My village people. Are you serious, though? Shut up. Shut up, Zara. Shut up. Please, don't listen to this girl. Please, oh, please. I have my own issues. You know, in fact, I'm crazy. I'm the crazy one. Get up. I should get up. Get up. Do you have a boyfriend? Why are you trying to scatter my marriage? Why are you trying to sit on me? Shut up. Who wants to sit? Why are you trying to bring trouble? But I just told you, it was just a friendly. I was just telling them my dream. You don't have the right to tell your viewers my dream. It was just a dream. Tell viewers anything, but you don't have the right to pretend to be me every time. You thought I didn't see that you only steal my ring. For Christ's sake, it's my fault for even bringing it out. You need to get going. You need to start going.